Hi and welcome. My name is Alicia, and today we talk how to scrub your face and body. Have fun. Please listen to me and listen to me well. If you're one of the millions of people scrubbing your face like you're cleaning a dirty pan, you need to stop right now. I'm serious. A recent dermatological study found that 78% of people are damaging their skin every single time they exfoliate. And they don't even know it. You guys, I've been analyzing skincare routines for over a decade, and I keep seeing the same heartbreaking pattern. People spend their hard-earned money on scrubs. Whether it's that famous walnut scrub you find in every shop from grocery stores to medical dispensaries, or expensive luxury brands, and they're actually making their skin worse. The more vigorously they scrub, thinking they're being thorough, the more they're sabotaging their results. Here's what's really happening. You're creating micro tears in your skin, disrupting your natural barrier and actually causing more blackheads and breakouts. It's like trying to clean a silk scarf with sandpaper. Technically, you're removing dirt, but you're destroying the fabric in the process. But don't worry, you've got this. Today, I'm going to show you the exact technique that dermatologists use, and more importantly, teach their clients to get that glowing, smooth skin you've been chasing. We're talking about a method so effective that you'll see results in just one session, and your skin will thank you for it. By the end of this video, you'll never look at face scrubs the same way again. Let me tell you about Diana, a viewer who emailed me last month. She'd been using the same scrub routine for 3 years, wondering why her skin looked duller than ever. Sound familiar? Diana was making mistake number 1. The death grip scrub. Picture this. You squeeze that scrub onto your palm, tack your face like you're trying to remove permanent marker, and wonder why you look like a tomato afterward. This is exactly what 90% of people do, and it's completely wrong. Your skin isn't a dirty floor. It's a delicate ecosystem that needs gentle care. Mistake number 2 is what I call the daily grind syndrome. Some people think more is better, scrubbing every single day because they want faster results. Trust me on this. Your skin needs time to recover and regenerate. Over-exfoliating is like working out every muscle group daily. You'll get injured, not stronger. The third mistake? Wrong timing. Most people scrub whenever they remember, usually in a rushed morning routine. But here's the thing. Your skin is in repair mode at night, making evening the worst time to exfoliate. You're essentially interrupting your skin's natural healing process. Mistake 4 is the one-size-fits-all approach that scrub your friend swears by. Might be completely wrong for your skin type. Using a scrub designed for oily skin when you have sensitive skin is like wearing the wrong prescription glasses. Technically functional, but causing more problems than it solves. Finally, mistake number 5. Skipping the prep and aftercare. Your skin isn't ready for exfoliation straight out of the gate, and it definitely needs proper care afterward. This is where most people completely miss the mark. What this does is actually fascinating from a scientific perspective. When you exfoliate correctly, you're working with your skin's natural 28-day renewal cycle, not against it. Your skin constantly sheds dead cells, but sometimes they get stuck, like leaves clogging a drain. Proper exfoliation is like being a gentle gardener, not a construction worker with a jackhammer. Here's what's actually happening when you scrub. Those tiny particles are physically lifting away dead skin cells. But they're also stimulating blood circulation and encouraging cellular turnover. The key word here is encouraging, not forcing. Your skin has its own intelligence. It knows what it needs to do. We're just helping it along. The reason I like this scientific approach is that it completely changes how you think about exfoliation. Instead of seeing it as a battle against blackheads, you start understanding it as a partnership with your skin's natural processes. Research shows that gentle, consistent exfoliation actually strengthens your skin barrier over time, while aggressive scrubbing weakens it. But here's where it gets interesting. Your skin has something called the acid mantle, a protective layer that keeps bad bacteria out and good moisture in. When you scrub too hard or too often, you're disrupting this crucial barrier. It's like removing the security system from your house and wondering why you keep getting robbed. Professional estheticians understand this science, which is why their clients' skin glows while DIY scrubbers often look irritated. The difference isn't the products, it's the technique and timing. Once you understand what's actually happening beneath the surface, the proper method becomes obvious. All right, let's get into the good stuff. The technique that actually works. Step number 1, and this is crucial. Preparation is everything. You guys, I cannot stress this enough. Never scrub dry skin. It's like trying to sand wood without securing it first. You'll create uneven, damaged results. Here's the professional method. First, cleanse your face with lukewarm water and a gentle cleanser. Pat dry, but leave your skin slightly damp. Now comes the game changer, the steam technique. Take a clean hand towel and soak it in warm water. The temperature should be comfortable on your wrist, not hot enough to burn. Gently wring out excess water. You want it damp, not dripping. Place this warm towel over your face for exactly 5 minutes. This isn't just luxury spa treatment, it's science. The steam opens your pores, softens dead skin cells, and makes everything easier to remove. It's like warming up before exercise, essential for preventing injury. After 5 minutes, remove the towel. Now your skin is perfectly prepped. Take a small amount of scrub. We're talking about the size of a blueberry for your entire face. Distribute it between your fingertips, not your palms. This is where most people go wrong. Start with your T-zone, forehead, nose, and chin. These areas typically have more oil production and need extra attention. Use gentle, circular motions with your fingertips only. The pressure should be so light that you could do this to a ripe tomato without bruising it. Work in small sections, spending about 30 seconds on each area. The magic happens in the technique. Small circular motions, moving upward against gravity. This stimulates circulation and prevents dragging the skin downward. Avoid any active breakouts completely. They need healing, not exfoliation. Total scrubbing time, 2 minutes maximum. Any longer and you're entering damaged territory. Rinse with cool water to close the pores, then pat dry with a clean towel. The temperature change from warm prep to cool rinse is intentional. It's like a workout for your pores. Now let's talk about choosing the right scrub without breaking the bank. That popular walnut scrub? It's not necessarily bad, but it's not ideal for everyone. The particles are often too large and irregular, which can cause micro tears. But here's the thing. You don't need to spend $150 on a luxury scrub to get professional results. The key to a good scrub is particle size and shape. Look for fine round particles rather than large jagged ones. Sugar scrubs are often gentler than salt scrubs, and oatmeal-based scrubs are perfect for sensitive skin. If you're budget conscious, you can actually make an effective scrub at home with ingredients you probably already have. See my other videos. Here's my favorite budget-friendly recipe. Mix 1 tablespoon of fine sugar with enough honey to make a paste. The sugar provides gentle exfoliation while honey offers antibacterial and moisturizing benefits. Costs less than $15, and it works better than many commercial products. For those with oily skin, look for scrubs with salicylic acid or tea tree oil. Dry skin types should choose scrubs with moisturizing ingredients like glycerin or natural oils. Sensitive skin, stick to oatmeal or rice-based scrubs with minimal ingredients. Red flags to avoid: scrubs with crushed fruit pits, those with artificial colors that might stain. And any scrub that feels scratchy when you rub it between your fingers. If it feels rough on your hands, imagine what it's doing to your delicate face. The reason I like recommending budget-friendly options is that consistency matters more than price. A $10 scrub used correctly 2 times per week will give better results than a $150 scrub used incorrectly daily. Let me tell you about Jill, a 52-year-old accountant who tried this method last month. She'd been struggling with dull skin and stubborn blackheads for years, spending hundreds on different products. After just 2 weeks of using this technique with a simple oatmeal scrub, her skin transformed. She sent me photos. The difference was incredible. But here's what really convinced me this method works. Jill's teenage daughter started copying her routine. Within a month, both mother and daughter had the kind of glowing skin that people stop you in the street to ask about. That's the power of technique over expensive products. Then there's Raj, a 38-year-old engineer who was skeptical about skincare in general. He'd been using the same harsh scrub for years, thinking the rougher the better. After switching to this gentle method, he noticed his skin stopped feeling tight and irritated. His wife said he looked 10 years younger within 6 weeks. The most common feedback I get is about the immediate results. People expect to wait weeks for changes, but with proper technique, you'll see improvement after the first session. Your skin will feel smoother, look brighter, and have that healthy glow that no makeup can replicate. Of course, some people worry about whether gentle exfoliation is enough. Trust me, your skin doesn't need to feel raw to be clean. In fact, if your skin feels irritated after scrubbing, you're doing it wrong. Proper exfoliation should leave your skin feeling soft, smooth, and refreshed, never tight or burning. So there you have it, the professional method that actually works. Remember, the key points are steam preparation, gentle fingertip technique, 2-minute maximum timing, and proper aftercare with moisturizer. This isn't about buying expensive products. It's about respecting your skin's natural intelligence and working with it, not against it. If you found this helpful, smash that like button and let me know in the comments what your biggest scrubbing mistake was. I read every single comment and love hearing about your skincare journey. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell because next week, I'm revealing the truth about moisturizers that most people get completely wrong. Do you have questions about your specific skin type or concerns? Drop them in the comments section below. I try to respond to as many as possible, and your question might inspire my next video topic. Remember, beautiful skin isn't about perfection. It's about consistency and kindness to yourself. You've got this, and I'm here to help you every step of the way. Until next time, treat your skin like the precious thing it is, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you for watching my video, and if you like it, please like and subscribe. Comments are welcome.